Ever felt like you have a secret world, a place you escape to where you feel most alive? What's that one thing that sets your soul on fire? For me, it's something that's shaped who I am, something that's been my anchor through thick and thin. And today, I'm finally letting you in on my secret obsession. It's not just a pastime, it's a part of me. I'm talking about urban beekeeping. Yes, those little buzzing insects, right here in the heart of the city. Stick around, because I'm going to show you a world you've probably never seen before, and it's buzzing with life right under our noses. My journey into this incredible world started completely by accident. I remember it vividly. It was a spring afternoon, and I was sitting on my tiny apartment balcony, feeling a bit disconnected from nature. I saw a single honeybee struggling on the concrete. I mixed a little sugar and water on a spoon and offered it to her. Watching her drink and then fly away, something just clicked. It was a tiny moment of connection, but it was powerful. I felt this sudden, intense curiosity. Could I do more? Could I help them thrive, even here in the city? Of course, diving in wasn't easy. My first thought was, bees? In an apartment? Am I crazy? My friends certainly thought so. They imagined swarms, angry neighbors, and a lot of stings. I had to sift through so much misinformation. I read dozens of books, watched countless videos, and almost gave up when my first attempt to source a hive fell through. But I was determined. Over the years, I've gone from a nervous newbie with one tiny hive on my rooftop to a confident apiarist with a thriving bee community. Today, on October 26, 2025, looking back, I can see how every challenge was just a step on this incredible learning curve. It's been a journey of patience, respect, and a whole lot of honey. So how does this all work? First, let's talk gear. This is my bee suit. It's not for fashion, I promise. It's my primary layer of protection and confidence. This is my hive tool, the Swiss Army knife for beekeepers, used for prying open frames. And this is the smoker. It doesn't harm the bees. It just masks their alarm pheromones, keeping them calm while I do my hive checks. The process involves gently opening the hive, inspecting each frame for the queen's health, checking for eggs and larvae, and making sure they have enough food. But why do I do it? Beyond the delicious golden honey, beekeeping connects me to the rhythm of the seasons in a way I never thought possible in an urban environment. It forces me to be present, to move slowly and deliberately. When I'm with my bees, the noise of the city fades away, and all that matters is their gentle hum. It's my meditation. One huge myth is that bees are naturally aggressive. The truth is, honeybees are incredibly docile. They only sting when they feel their hive is threatened. If you're calm and respectful, they're more than happy to coexist. They're not out to get you. They're just trying to do their job, pollinating the plants that beautify our city and help our local ecosystem thrive. This year has been huge for me. A few months ago, I successfully performed my first hive split. That means I took a single, very strong colony and divided it into two, essentially creating a new hive from scratch. It was nerve-wracking because there was a chance it could fail. But seeing both colonies now thriving and producing honey is one of my proudest achievements. It's a testament to how much I've learned. The world of beekeeping is also changing. There's a big movement towards more sustainable, treatment-free practices, which I'm incorporating. I'm also experimenting with different types of urban-friendly hive designs. My next big project? I'm planning to set up a pollinator garden on a neglected patch of public land nearby. I want to create a true oasis for my bees and other local wildlife, and I'd love for you to follow along as I bring that project to life. But this hobby has given me more than just honey and a new set of skills. The most profound lesson the bees have taught me is the power of the collective. A single bee can't accomplish much on its own, but together, they create a superorganism capable of incredible things. They build complex structures, regulate the temperature of their hive, and work tirelessly for the good of the colony. It's a beautiful reminder that community and collaboration are essential. It's shown me that small, individual actions, when done together, can create massive positive change. And speaking of community, the beekeeping world is amazing. I've met so many incredible people, from rooftop keepers like me to seasoned farmers in the countryside. We share tips, trade stories, and support each other through challenges. It's a network built on a shared passion for these vital creatures. This hobby has connected me not just to nature, but to people. So now, I want to turn it over to you. What's your passion? What's that one thing that makes you feel connected and alive? Share it in the comments below. I truly believe that when we pursue the things we love, we not only enrich our own lives, but we also inspire others to do the same. Let's build a community of passion right here. Thank you so much for joining me today and letting me share my world with you. If you enjoyed this little peek into the hive and want to follow my beekeeping adventures, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It means the world to me. See you in the next video.